how to delete Booking.com's reservation. I am going to show you how you can easily delete a Booking.com reservation. Open your web browser and search for Booking.com. Go to the first link to open the website. Sign into your account by choosing your Google account. It will start verifying and you will be directed to the homepage. To cancel the reservation, first you have to book yourself. Select the location where you are going, check in and check out of dates. Choose your seats and click the search button. It will show you all the properties available. Choose any property and click See Availability. You will see all the details along with the price. You can click Reserve Your Apartment Stay on the top right side. Scroll down and click I will reserve under the price. It will give you a form to fill in your required details. This includes your email, name, and other details. Scroll down and enter full guest name. After entering the correct details, click Final Details at the end. Review all the details and go to Complete Booking. It will take a few seconds to confirm your booking and select the next plan. Go to the homepage on the website and click on Property. You will see all the details on this page. On the right side, go to Cancellation Options. To cancel the booking, enter a reason why you want to cancel. Click Cancel Booking and tell them the reason. Click Cancel Entire Booking and your booking will be canceled.